Okay, here we have a IDEC terminal user interface. I don't think I'm going to keep developing this program. I'd rather have it be a bash integration rather than its own thing. But let's see. You can say configure, and we have some tab completion built in. And then it lists the connection information. So we're on Linux, so we have dev /dty acm0. This is my PLC. You can cross-check this with dmessage if you're so inclined. And then the rest of this is talking about the connection type. If you don't know your device type, you can use FF. The only time the device type for the PLC matters is when you're uploading or downloading code or doing some specific debugging operations. You can just leave that. Baud rate, you want to check, verify your documentation may be misrepresented. Mine is set to 9600. Timeout's 1 second, byte size, i.e. parity n, stop bits 1, and we're gonna I'll leave debug on for a second here. Turn it off in just a minute. Yeah, we'll leave that on. This BCC mode's a checksum. It auto is fine for general use. It changes for upload and download process. Right now we'll just leave it. We're in a debugging process. Yeah, so then it saves. We have clear. Oh, nice. Alright, we're just gonna check. We get some built-in commands to get information about your PLC or my PLC. Here's our file path we're executing from. Our operating system information. This works in Windows and Linux. Our connection and our connection verification by reading whatever. It's a general error bit. I know it says reserved, but it's a general error bit. Let's see. Somebody turned off the power and didn't do it gracefully. That was me. Here we've got our battery status, our firmware version, what time and date the PLC thinks it is. You could compare this. Maybe I should move this, but whatever. This is the date my computer thinks it is, and this is the date and time. So we're about a day off. And then that our diagnostic finished and exited. Now that's fine. We're gonna connect our PLC here. Connect, tab, connect. Alright, cool, we're connected. I don't know, I think I found this interesting command. It tells you how many gigs your storage medium is. I think it was maybe D8250. And this is saying 0 because we don't have any media device plugged in. I don't have my camera turned on for this video, but I have this 8 megabyte card. Oh, I have an 8 gig card here. This other stuff, this is an ASCII string for the command that was just sent, this read D8250. There's a more accurate representation. This is what in the documentation is referred to as binary, although it's hexadecimal. And then here's the return code from the PLC, which is also hexadecimal. The 05 is not representable. It's an ASCII character, but it's not a visible ASCII character. And I'm gonna plug in my memory device here. It's 8 gig. We'll read this again. And now we've got 7,442, which is saying it's a approximately 8 gig device. We can I don't know, we can read a bit, which is M 8070, and this says that our SD card's inserted. We can eject the SD card and reread this bit. Got some history here, and I don't know. This is all well and good, but I guess I'm gonna disconnect here because I'm tired of looking at debug commands. Let's see. We want to configure. That looks like config, and there are ports staying the same. And I just come down here. Do I want debug on? No, thank you. Leave the rest. And I don't know. You can do like this here, I guess. We can reconnect. All right, cool. We want to read our. I don't know, probably faster to type it. That's our number of storage medium megabytes. I have an 8 megabyte card I'm plug in here. We've got 0 right now because it's not plugged in, and now I'm plugging it in. I'm reading this register again, and here I don't know what that means. You know, detecting the file system size might be more challenging. Oh, you know, this might not even have a FAT32 file system on it. I don't know what it's reporting. Alright, well, I thought it was neat. Anyway, you can read the bit, you know, in 8070, and detect that our SD card is in fact inserted. Hey, that's what you get for trying random things before you make a video. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, we got this other thing. Set time. I forget how I wrote the macro. No. Set time. Remember, the date and time was off by, you know, I think 24 hours previously. Now our date and time is correct, which is shown right here. Alright, that's it for now. Alright, bye.